Okay, Chris.
Hi everyone, I hope you are well. We are here to explain the collaborative speaking task when we are going to explain you how to prepare a delicious recipe. I'm here with my partners in this activity, Gabriela and Diana, and we are going to prepare a fantastic chocolate cake. First of all, we are going to show you the ingredients we need to make this preparation. The ingredients are 3/4 cups of wheat flour,
Half cup cocoa.
1 teaspoon of baking soda.
1 teaspoon of salt,
1/2 cups of white sugar.
1/2 cup of butter, softened.
2 eggs,
1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
1/2 cups of milk.
Next, my partner Gabriela will explain to you the steps we must do to prepare this recipe. Go ahead, Gabriela.
Okay, first thing they have to 175 to 13 green egg. Second, in the bowl, see sugar, the full cocoa, baking soda, and salt set aside. Third, in the medium bowl, cream the sugar and the berry until smooth. Begin the eggs. When the thin, they store in vanilla. Fourth, graduate under their ingredients. They take to the day cream mixtures, alternate with the mild, beat on the medium space for 2 to 3 minutes for batter in the prepared pan. Fifth, batter for very means for unlimited toppings inserting in the certain corner of the cream. 16. Optional, lady cut, they remove from, they pin and decorate and thereins. You can 14 checking is the fruits. Next is my parent Danny. Diana.
Okay, guys, to conclude, we have said that making a chocolate cake is a simple process if we follow the step-by-step instructions. This cake is perfect for any occasion and can be decorated in many ways to make it even more special. We hope you enjoy these recipes as much as we enjoy preparing it for you. Thank you for your attention and enjoy. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Bye, Javi.
Yeah.